Hello children, good morning. I am Kameshwari. Welcome to online lecture classes. In the last class, I explained you what is meaning of globe, what are latitudes and what are longitudes, how you are using the globe, what shows you globe. These are all things you discussed in the last class. Today, I want to teach you the longitudes. What are longitudes? Longitudes are vertical lines drawn on a globe that run from the North Pole to South Pole. See children here, it is a globe. The vertical lines on the globe are called longitudes. All the longitudes all are north to south direction drawn on the globe. Here these are all called the longitudes. Next one is the meridian marked 0 degrees is called the Greenwich meridian or prime meridian. The 0 degrees longitude is known as Greenwich meridian. Here, this is the Greenwich meridian. The value of the Greenwich meridian is 0 degrees longitude. It is also have another name that is called prime meridian. It is one of the important meridian. Why? Because this line divides our total earth into two equal halves. It is eastern hemisphere, it is western hemisphere. It is the eastern hemisphere and it is the western hemisphere. Another important longitude is 180 degrees east and west longitude. This line is called as international dateline. Why it is the importance of this line is day and night changes here. Okay, if you want to cross the international dateline 180 degrees east longitude, you add 1 day. If you come back to that 180 degrees longitude, you back 1 day to that line. So that is the importance of 180 degrees east and west longitude. You see here, it is that the center line is called the prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. It passes through the London. Here see children, it is the London groundnut shaped country in Europe, that is London. It passes, Greenwich line passes through the London. Okay children, if whenever you are reading the geography textbook, you open the atlas book also. Okay, now next, it is called the prime meridian. It divides the total earth into two hemisphere. Hemisphere means half part of the earth. It is the eastern part, it is the western part. In the top of that you see 180 degrees W and 180 degrees east. So E means east, W means west. From the Greenwich meridian, east side 180 longitudes are there, west side 180 longitudes are there. Total how many longitudes are there? 380. But here I did not add the 0 degrees longitude. The reason is the east 180 degrees longitude and west 180 degrees latitude are both are same. Okay, that is about this longitudes. What are the features of longitudes? The lines of longitudes are semicircles that run from the poles to the other poles. It is the one pole, it is the other pole. All the longitudes are run between the north pole to south pole. So these all are half circles. At the time long latitudes all are full circles. That's why those have only 180. These are all half circle. That's why these are all 360 longitudes are there. They run north to south direction. See here, they are spared farthest apart at equator and come together a point at the poles. In the middle of the globe, the width is little bit higher than the poles. Here poles all are connected one to another. These all are connected one to another like dots, grids. The network of latitudes and longitudes are called grids. You see, some lines are drawn on the globe horizontally and vertically like this. Then what happened? Square shaped boxes are appears to you. These boxes are called grids. The latitudes and longitudes together form a network of lines. These boxes are called grids. The total number of longitudes are 360. Next, longitudes and time. Longitudes, with the help of longitudes, you calculate the time. How can you calculate the time? The earth rotates 360 in about 24 hours, which means 15 degrees an hour. 15 degrees an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15 east of prime meridian will be 15 into 4. Why? Because here 1 degree in 4 minutes, it takes 4 minutes time. You multiply those 15 degrees into 4 minutes. How many minutes will come? 60 minutes will come. So 1 hour. 1 hour ahead of the Greenwich time, which means 1 p.m. The time is 1 p.m. in 15 degrees longitude, east longitude. And then at the same time, if you come back of the Greenwich 15 longitude of west side, western hemisphere, here 1 hour come back. So here the time is 11 a.m. Similarly, at the same in 180 degree east and west longitude, the time is 12 p.m. That is our latitudes and time. I will explain again to you. Listen. In this world map, in the 1884, scientists divide the total world into 24 zones, time zones. Okay, here this is the prime meridian, 0 degrees longitude is called prime meridian, center line. It passes through the London. 180 degrees are located in the east side, 180 degrees are in the west side. Okay, if you come to east direction, you cross 1 day. Suppose here I said 15 degrees longitude, what is the time? Here the time is 12 a.m. What is the time in 15 degrees of longitude? Yes, here 15 into 4, how much? Total 61 hour, 1 hour ahead of the Greenwich. Here the time is 1, automatically here the time is 1 p.m. At the same time, the back side of the Greenwich 15 degrees, only 9 a.m. That is the difference. Now our India is here. What is our prime meridian? What is our country standard meridian is 82.5 degrees east meridian. 82.5 degrees east meridian. How much distance between our Greenwich to our India is 82.5 degrees. 82.5 degrees, if you calculate that, 330 minutes will come. 330 is equal to 5.5 hours. So 5.5 hours ahead of our Greenwich meridian. Here the time is 12, our Indian time is 5:30 p.m. Have you understood, children? Next, what is a standard time? Standard time. Local time is based on the longitude of a place. Which longitude passes through our area, those people takes, that is a local longitude. It means the places situated at different meridians will have different local times. What happened? All the members are taken different types or different longitudes. The times also differ from one area to another area. It increases so much of confusion and problems arise. Then the people also, how to function, people how to do their works, they did not have one fixed time. That's why it creates lot of confusion. To solve these problems, every country fixes its central meridian, which longitude passes through the center of its country. That country takes, that is an prime meridian of that country, which is considered as standard meridian of that country. Our country standard meridian is 82.5 degrees east meridian. The local time of this meridian is considered standard for whole country. Some are lived in the Himachal Pradesh, some are in Gujarat, but all the people are following the time. It is called the standard time. India's standard meridian is 82.5 degrees east meridian. You observe this word east meridian, either it is east or west. That is very, very important to you. Here I will show you our India. It is our east 82.5 degrees east meridian. It passes through 5 states in our India: Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh. These are the countries touched by our tropic of our longitude, 82.5 degrees east longitude. Okay, next, if you know the latitudes and longitudes, you accurately locate that place on the map. Suppose our country is located 8 latitude to 38 latitude in the northern hemisphere. At the same time, 68 to 98 longitudes, eastern longitudes, our India is located. If you draw the grid like that, our India you find out easily in our world map. That is our time zones and everything. Children, I will give some of the work to you. Do the work. The time of Greenwich is 11 p.m. The time of Greenwich is 11 p.m. Now find out the time in the following longitudes: 60 degrees in east longitude and 75 degrees in west longitude, 120 degrees in east longitude and 80 degrees in west longitude. First, you identify that east or west. If you cross the 180 degrees east and west longitude or not. If you add hours or subtract that hour and calculate these are all values very carefully. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, children.